Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add VFX in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to open your Filmora software, and after that you will be needing like just to uh, create your own project so you can start adding the media. So the next step would be is just to import in your clips. And you can do that by going to media, and from here you click on import media, and you will need just to drag and drop your media into the timeline so you can start creating your video. Now to the step where we can add the visual effects in Filmora. So basically you have two choices. Either you can find the effects, or you can simply go to stickers. So stickers is more appealing. It will give you like some kind of independence elements. And from here, I just like searched for smoke screen or smoke effects. And basically all you will be needing to do is to also drag and drop these elements. And they are basically videos that can be uh, visual effects. So as you can see, it start like adding the smoke effects into our video. Now let's try the effects one. You can just simply go and put the effects on the video and it will be applying. So let's just wait for the content to be downloaded, and after that it will be automatically applied on the video. And as you can see, it will be taking a bit of time, depends really on the effects and all the elements used in the effect so they can be applied on the video. So now after that we have our effect that is being applied. So as you can see, it's start like um, getting added automatically. But for the effect stuff, it is included inside the video. And then you will be needing like to go inside the effects, and from there, like you can find the speed, you can really see some kind of uh, properties. And it really depends on the effect itself, and not all the effects have the same properties. So as you can see, this one has colors extra that you can use, and these one are independent ones. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.